I got the Syma W1 Pro out. I haven't flown it in forever. I think it's been a year or more since I had this thing out. Oh, don't land. Okay, so that's the land button. I just wasn't sure what the land button was and what the... Oh yeah, it flies nice. The calibration must have been out of whack. I didn't do it right or something. Oh yeah. Thing flies good, man. Okay, so we're getting a little video sample here. Let's take it up a little bit. Yeah, it flies good. Yeah, this thing flies nice, man. This thing flies real nice once you get the calibration done. Plus I got 2 batteries for it, so. It does seem to, like when you're steering it. Here, I'll just bring it down so I can show you. That was me doing that. Yeah, so when you're steering it and you let off the stick, it doesn't, stop right away. It kind of lags a little bit before it pulls back out of the turn, kind of weird. But it's very stable, Very stable. I think it's a cheap product. To be honest, I don't know, 140 bucks, 130 bucks, something. I mean, it's not bad, Let me cut the video there. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? Uh-oh, am I gonna hit that pole? Woo. You gotta watch those poles, man. I wasn't paying attention. I got real damn close to that pole. I can't wait to see the video because it'll show it on the screen recording. I wasn't watching the video screen. I was watching the drone. And while watching the drone, I'm not watching the pole. So yeah, it flies nice. Wow, yeah. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. Alright, guys. The landings on this thing are not that hot. I will tell you that. Syma W1 Pro. It's a legend. It's a legend. Let me grab the thumbnail. Anyway, there it is. Okay, yeah. Flew great, man. This thing flies nice still. Not bad at all. Just make sure you calibrate it. If it takes off and starts dancing around, stop it and just do it again. That's all. All right, guys. Have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.